In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish indicator in TradingView. Start by heading to tradingview.com. Once you're on the site, open the chart for the market you want to demonstrate your indicator on. Use the symbol selector on the right to pick the ticker or instrument you'll use as your example. This ensures viewers and users will see your script behaving on a relevant market. Switch to the full chart view so you have access to the complete toolbox. The full chart gives you the layout you need for editing, testing, and publishing without distractions. Next, open Pine, TradingView's built-in scripting environment. You'll find the Pine icon or Pine editor on the interface. Click it to bring up your script workspace. Make sure your indicator code is ready here. If you've already built and tested it, you're in great shape. Click Add to Chart. This compiles the script and attaches your indicator to the chart so you can verify that it runs as expected. If something doesn't plot correctly or you see a compilation message, address that before continuing. A clean working indicator leads to a smoother publishing experience. Now click Publish Script. This opens the publishing form where you'll provide the details that help users understand and find your work. Enter a clear, descriptive name and a concise description. Explain what your indicator does, key inputs, and any assumptions or ideal timeframes. Keep it factual and helpful. Clarity here reduces confusion and support requests. Click Continue to move forward. You'll now choose your privacy settings. Select the option that matches how you want to share your code. Open source shares the source for learning and transparency. Protected keeps your source hidden while letting others use the indicator. Invite only keeps access controlled if that fits your goals. Choose the visibility that reflects how widely you want the publication to appear, such as publicly in the community or limited to a smaller audience. Then pick the category that best matches your script's purpose so it shows up in the right place for discovery. You can add tags and a signature. Tags improve searchability. Use relevant, specific keywords. Your signature identifies you as the author. Keep it professional and avoid personal contact details. Finally, review the guidelines. Check the confirmation box to indicate you comply with the rules and click Publish Script. TradingView will process your submission and you'll get a publication page or link you can share. If you need to refine your description, tags, or settings later, you can update the publication while keeping version control intact. That's it. You've successfully published your indicator on TradingView, making it easier for others to discover, use, and learn from your work.